Dear educators, welcome to Student Alliance community. Homology, analogy, homology. Often students have this confusion, especially when they are sitting for the NEET examination or even while you're doing a board examination. So this actually chapter comes in class 12 evolution chapter of biology. Now to sort that problem, just go to Olabs, just click on biology, and here we do have experiments for evolution chapter also. Just click on homology and analogy, just click on simulation. Now to a very simple understanding of analogy is that they have similar functions but they don't have a similar evolutionary steps. For example, the wings of a butterfly and the wings of a bird, they don't have a same evolution but the function is same, that it is for flying. What you can do, you can click analogous organs, you can click for plants or animals. Now when you see the bat's wing and a wing of a butterfly has the same function, but both are not from the same ancestry. Similarly, if you check on analogous, you look at the animals that despite of them having a similar ancestry, they have different functions of their fins. This is used to fly, this is used to swim. Hope that answers your question. Thank you so much.